Talk to me.
Lauren LaRosa, LL Cool Bay. Got to say your full name, you know what I mean? Like the radio consultant said, you got to say your full name. To familiarize you to the audience.
Lauren LaRosa.
Yeah, Lauren LaRosa. Can't just say Lauren.
You know, people still ask me if I'm Dominican.
Don't nobody ask me.
What?
They do because
Nobody's
they think
I really be defending you a lot of people, Lauren. Don't start that.
You know what I'm saying? Like, for no reason. Nobody does that.
The La Rosa be really messing people up.
Oh, you know what? No, now that is
And
true.
it's not
'cause
Dominican.
No, I ain't gonna lie.
happened,
I
yes.
did. I was like, which, one of her fathers? Not one of your fathers. Like, maybe you.
You don't even know her father.
Oh, first of all, I do. Happy birthday, Dad. It was his birthday on the 27th.
Which one?
He don't remember yours, but you remember his? That's crazy.
No, because you said your stepdad. No, which one? Your really, really good dad?
My biological dad.
Oh.
Not my brother's dad.
You still say happy birthday to him?
Yes, I talk to my dad. Y'all, okay.
And things better.
Me and my dad talk. We have a good relationship.
Stop,
it's just
Jess,
not
stop. You
strong.
pressing. She might
It's
cry.
just not.
Stop.
Okay, yeah,
I
no.
do not
Stop.
cry.
No.
Okay.
How did I become the damn news?
All right, go ahead. My bad. Do your thing. Do your thing.
It was you.
The latest.
me?
Them beads, it's not enough on them.
These are prayer
you
beads,
ain't.
man.
Yeah, you need to pray some more.
Your shoulder is ashy because you just talk.
Oh my
I
God.
don't- I leave
If
your
her
lips
father
alone,
came
okay?
around, her shoulder wouldn't be ashy.
Can't even offer your father a shoulder to lean on.
Traumatic
'cause
shoulder.
It's just foggy.
All
Go
right.
ahead, Lauren.
Speaking of fathers, Diddy, he's a father.
Okay, yes, he is.
Yes, that is
What
true.
else? What happened? Good segue.
Thank you. Okay, so remember the other day we were talking about Diddy's new defenses, and I was
How
saying
you retarded?
don't use that word.
What?
How he was saying that he was incapable of.
What? That's what
Oh
he
my
said.
God.
I'm about to make you stand on my leg and sing the Fair East Side High
Yes,
song
for
because you're
real.
acting up in
Okay,
here.
what is it now?
So we were talking about his defenses, and we were talking about how his attorneys are alleging in documents that because he might have been under the influence of drugs and or alcohol, he wasn't capable of cognitively thinking through anything, so he shouldn't be held responsible. And we were talking about how dumb of a defense that is because number one, that means something still possibly allegedly happened. Number two, that means that there were drugs and alcohol involved, which is what they were claiming in the first place,
Yes.
right? Now, I actually was able to obtain the full document, which is the filing that this exclusive was broke from. And I read through the documents, and my opinion has changed. I don't think it's as dumb as of a defense. Will
Explain.
it work? Okay, because what the document and what the filing and what their Diddy's legal team's focus is intent. First of all, in a criminal case, the burden of proof is on the prosecutors, right? So they have to prove way more than Diddy has to prove. Secondly, when you talk about intent means that there has to be like a specific like malice or like, I was doing this on purpose. I thought about it. All of that stuff. If he is under the influence allegedly, right, and they can prove at however way, which I think would be the issue, that he was under the influence of drugs or alcohol because he was just partying, having a good time, and whatever happened, but there was no like he's in the space of this is just a good time. We're drinking, we're doing this, we're doing that. I don't have an ill intent to do anything.
Just
if something
a freaky person. Like,
if something happened during that, allegedly, if something happened during that time, it happened. But my intent was just to, get allegedly high or drunk and have a good time.
That's interesting because I wonder what's more important in a situation like that, the intention or the impact. Because even if your intention wasn't to do something, like say you're under the influence, but then you kill somebody.
Right.
So can I use that as an excuse?
Well...
People try to do that.
Yeah, like when people, like if you accident, like with car accidents, when people pass away, like you don't intend to get in your car and kill anybody.
So then it's manslaughter as opposed to homicide.
Exactly. That's why I'm saying I don't know how well it'll work, but it's not as stupid as I thought that it was. But the issue will be, so they had this doctor coming in who there's no way at the time he had examined Puff and was able to be like, you know what? He's completely under the influence of whatever. So how do you prove that what they're saying actually
Did the doctor do rectal exams on all the male victims though? That's what people really need to see what the hell is going on. And I'm gonna tell you something else. I have no idea what the hell Diddy's even charged with anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
I thought I knew
That's
in the
why it's
beginning, but they flooded the zone so much with so much information. I don't even know what he's being tried for.
He don't know either, and that's the crazy thing. That's crazy because even Lord Durk is about to go like to court to try to like come home. Why? No, I'm just saying because Diddy the only one that's staying inside.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
He the only one that's staying. So it got to be something that they're not telling us, or something that's not leaking, or it's something.
Something was leaking.
But we
That's
haven't
what
gotten
Rod
to the
said.
nitty gritty of why he hasn't been able to come home. Like,
it's a racketeer conspiracy. It's sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion, transportation to engage in prostitution.
Yeah, I forgot about all that.
Yeah, but I know that there was a forced labor charge that was added at one point.
Forced labor? He had slaves?
But the
were
judge
they white?
Sorry, a judge ruled that they can't
that's crazy.
that they can't use that, but they did rule that that Cassie video can be admitted as evidence. But I did want to come back with that after I read
But
the
I thought he
documents.
wasn't charged for the Cassie video.
He's not.
But they're asking if they can use that as evidence, and what they'll probably try to do, because Cassie will have to take the stand, they'll try to basically paint the picture of just how much of a I don't care about anything monster he is. Like they did, they alleged him to be. Like they tried, what they did with the bond, which is why he's still.
Diddy said that video was edited. Remember he said that?
Yeah,
remember
but
that's, his team tried to go that way with it. Like, that was edited.
Yeah, and the prosecutors came out and said, no, we have a recorded version of the full video. But
Crazy.
Yeah,
just tell me what happens.
I got you. I'm gonna be there. I'm going. You coming with me?
I'm gonna go with you. I need to get to the bottom of this too. But listen, I have a story that I want to break too. Executive producer of Baddies on Wheels accuses Roland Ray of ghosting her after payment.
What the hell is Baddies on Wheels?
Baddies on Wheels. So, you know the wheelchair people that are in wheelchairs, right? And they can still be bad. So they're Baddies on Wheels, and they have a show
on Zeus.
And on
That's real?
No. I don't think this is on Zeus. I don't think. I don't know. I need you to reach out to see where it's at.
Okay.
But
so it's handicapped people, basically.
yes, handicapped people with their baddies. Yep, handicapped hotties.
Gotcha,
right?
Gotcha.
Now, Roland Ray, you don't know Roland Ray, do you?
Yeah, I know Roland Ray.
Okay, yes, Roland Ray was supposed to be on. He's supposed to do something with her, and after they sent him payment, he ghosted them. Now, Roland Ray is known for doing this all around DC. Let me just say that right there. But he did this to an executive producer of Baddies on Wheels. That is crazy. He ran off with somebody's money. But how can you not catch somebody in a wheelchair?
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Stop.
All right, well, he rolled off with somebody's money.
Okay.
But how can't you just, run down on him? It's like, why y'all act like it's so hard to go get your money from this man? All you got to do is cut the brake on the damn wheelchair. You know, they'd be right on the back.
Was the other person in the wheelchair, too?
The whole cast is in wheelchairs, but they not rolling off of people's money. It's just Ray.
But the producer, they're not.
Is this an allegation or is this true?
No, this is true.
I don't want to put this on Roland Ray if it's not true.
This girl is for real. She's an executive producer. She is in shambles. She was so upset.
She reached out to you?
No, she didn't reach out to me. No, she reached out to somebody on my team.
Okay,
I met Roland Ray when there was a catfish back in the day on MTV. There was a catfish spinoff called Trolls. And it was Roland Ray.
Roland Ray that's where he was first
Roland
introduced.
Ray was I don't remember if he was a Nicki fan or a Kim fan. When he was going against somebody who was either a Nicki fan or a Kim fan. I forgot whose side was on who. But yeah, they were going back and forth. And I remember he spit. I don't know if he spit on me or he spit somewhere.
Oh my God.
I just
by mistake? Because his list is way worse than yours.
No,
so it's like
he meant to do it.
Oh my God.
I don't remember the whole thing. I don't remember.
I think it's on Pressure TV network.
Okay, yeah. I knew it wasn't on Zeus. But yes, he rolled off with their money. And I just feel like how did y'all let this happen? Y'all act like y'all can't just catch up with him.
Maybe his
and
is she taking legal action?
She is. She definitely is taking legal action, but
dropping the clues bombs for the handicap hotties. What show is
No,
that
it's
on again?
not. Baddies on Wheels.
Oh, okay.
Baddies on Wheels.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Make sure you watch Baddies on Wheels wherever you can watch Baddies.
Yeah. And Roland Ray, give all that money back. Ride around it and give their money back.
DJ Envy is coming up with thank you, Lauren, for the latest with Lauren. And thank you, Jess, for your mess. Okay, and we'll be back. The People's Choice Mix is up next.
You're checking out The Breakfast Club. Wake that ass up.
Early in the morning.
The Breakfast Club.